Hello, my name is Aileen Quintanilla, and I am doing my PowerPoint presentation on bilingualism. Bilingualism and monolingualism. Bilingualism is the fluency of two languages. People can hold meaningful conversation with two languages with different people. So they can have one conversation with one child in the English language and a second conversation with another child in a different language. Monolingualism is the fluency of one language. Monolinguals tend to need translators in order to communicate in a different language. They are not able to communicate with one child in one language while communicating with the other child in a different language. Bilingual influence. The family. Many students have parents who speak a different language. There are many family connections with the language. Friends. Bilingual students tend to speak in two different languages and code switch with their friends. If their friends speak Spanish, they tend to have more exposure to the Spanish language. The education system. Children gain the influence of both languages through bilingual education programs. And they also have outside influences such as hearing music, watching TV, and reading books in a different language that help practice their bilingualism. Strategy 1. Patience. As teachers, we must create a comfortable environment. Students should be able to make mistakes. Children learn in a different pace. We should not be comparing students to others. This makes students lose confidence and not want to participate. Strategy number 2. Bilingual education programs. Enrolling the students in a bilingual education program will help with the exposure of both languages. Many parents have their students in all English classes while exposing the second language at home. Bilingual programs help with the exposure of academic language in both languages while providing meaningful activities. So a child can learn the English language and be super academically smart in it while only learning a few words in the Spanish language. The bilingual education helps connect both languages and use them as resources in order to gain more language development in both. Strategy number 3. Meaningful conversations. Students need face-to-face interactions. Creating meaningful conversations and having students engage with the help with their language development. Watching TV will not help students in the same way a conversation will. Students should be able to practice speaking and listening in two languages. This shows that a student should be able to talk to their parents in one language, and the parents should be able to repeat and hold a conversation in that same language as well. Exposing the students would help them become more bilingual and increase their meaningful activities. Thank you so much and have a nice day.